guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. And today finally I get the chance to say this. I've been dying to say this for a really long time. I'm finally shooting my first travel vlog and I'm very excited about it. So we are actually taking a vacation to Goa because it's my husband's birthday, Mandeep, who's behind the camera, on 7th Feb, and today is 5th Feb. It's a short trip but I'm very excited for it. So I've decided to vlog this trip, so I'm going to take you along on this trip to Goa.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now.
How excited are you to take this flight?
Really excited. I mean, it's been more than a year since we've come to the airport.
I had come exactly a year back when I had gone to Chennai.
Mine last was December 2019 Amsterdam trip.
Yeah, someone is already in the Goa attire but wearing jeans.
So obviously,
Very unlike Mandeep. Today actually Mandeep has been very unlike him because he's such a dad. If the flight is at 11, he'll be at the airport at 9. 9 is like the max. But today we just like made it in time.
yeah, because I have caught so many flights that I have already almost missed. So that's why I know that even if you target 9, you will miss it.
I've just grabbed some food from Theobroma, which is gonna eat it and then board the flight. And actually, two of our friends are also joining us on this trip. I think they're already here. They're eating somewhere, so we're just gonna go meet them and then board the flight.
Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
The biggest bag on the plane, guys.
As usual. Excitement level max.
नहीं अपनी नहीं है. Sorry. 8276 है. अपनी 5346 है.
कैसे बोला कि हाँ 5346.
अरे तो ठीक है ना. 76 दिखा एंड का तो बस था यार. बस क्या अभी क्या बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? सिल्वर कलर भी था.
2,000 years later.
And the car is your guys. And Nikki struggling with the rolling. हाँ 4 लोग अपना. निकी जी जाके बैठ चुकी हैं. चलो भाइयों.
Waiting for bike.
Yeah. So the scooty is here. So yeah.
Oh,
The
where's
bike
your
is
bike?
the bike is coming.
So we've checked into our resort. We're staying at Grand Leone Vagator, and this is where we always stay. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time we're staying here. And now we are actually very hungry, so we are headed for lunch. We haven't changed. We just decided to go for lunch first, and we are headed to Burger Factory, which is my favorite place in Goa to eat at. So we're just waiting for the bikes to arrive, and then we'll head for lunch. Not changed. I can't believe I'm roaming in jeans in Goa, but yeah. I don't have any energy to change. I'll first eat, then probably we'll change and go for a sundowner. We are just waiting for a bike. Can't wait to eat. I love that place. The burgers there are insane, especially the bacon burger. Like the normal chicken burger, and you can put an additional bacon in it. Amazing.
मास्क लगा ले. लाल टपक रही है. Finally, it is here. The much awaited chicken barbecue burger.
ये तो मैं पूरा खा ही नहीं सकती. बहुत माल है.
Thank God.
Bagator beach.
Yeah.
And it was pretty dark over there, like it got pretty dark in the end. So now we are headed to Baga.
Yeah.
Plus we are so insanely hungry also. Are you hungry?
Not at all.
I am
After such a big
I don't know, I just feel very hungry in Goa.
after such a big burger at the factory, how can you be hungry again?
I am. It's already night.
Yeah, but then again, you just ate half a burger.
Yeah.
Actually, I ate the whole burger. Yeah.
हर कोई अपना ही म्यूजिक बजा रहा है.
Real.
यहाँ पे बैठेगा तू?
देख रहा हूँ खाली यार.
So it's a day 2 in Goa, and this is a resort, by the way, beautiful one. And yesterday night, I don't know what happened. I just passed out at 11:30, 12. Like we just came to the room and I at least just passed out. And it's already 11:30, and we've not had breakfast, and our friends have already had breakfast. So we are headed to Mango Tree, which is very near to our resort, and it's Mandeep's most favorite restaurant in Goa. If you come to Goa with Mandeep, be ready to go to that place at least 5 times in 3 days. So yeah, so that's where we are headed now, and then the plan is to head to some very north side beaches like Ashwem and Morjim. Let's go and eat first.
See ya.
And now we are headed to Ashwem Beach, which is a long ride. It's some 40 minutes away. So that's a long ride. And we've changed our bike as well. Now we are on an Avenger. Earlier we were on a Bullet, but my ass just couldn't take that bike. It was so hard, I just couldn't sit on it. So today we've changed our bike. Plus there was some battery issue as well.
Oh, there's a bigger battery issue in this one, but
stopping for Ganna juice.
refreshments, guys.
Where are Brinda and Yash?
Brinda and Yash are over there, also having.
Looks cool, huh?
Nikki's got a new friend out here.
He's a very demanding dog. So finally, after a long drive, we are at Ashwem Beach, and we've come to this restaurant called
La Plage.
La Plage or something. It's a good restaurant, very good vibe, and this is the beach. Let me just show it to you. What kind of relaxing is this?
Chill, relaxing.
And now we are leaving from here sometime, I think,
Yeah.
because this is not where we are eating. Yes, the food options here are very limited. We are just having a few drinks, and then we are headed to Piccolo to have some pizzas. Again, so it's again a 40-minute ride, and it is freaking hot right now. But I mean, if you come to Goa, you gotta
Be ready for that.
You gotta be ready for it.
So this is our pizza that is going to be made now, and it is a wood-fired pizza. It's going into a wood-fire oven out there. And भैया ने ऑलरेडी अंदर डाल दिया था, बट ये व्लॉग के लिए उन्होंने मेरे लिए निकाला. थैंक यू सो मच भैया जी.
Hi guys, so we came back to the room after eating pizzas, and honestly right now I'm so tired. Actually I haven't been able to vlog much on this trip because I don't think I have felt this tired in my whole life. So the past few days work has been crazy, plus this trip is also adding to the tiredness but also helping me relax. But anyways, I think we were doing a lot, yahan jana hai, wahan jana hai and all, which was not that great. So right now I'm just going to chill. So it's already 7:30, sun is already down, and we are headed to the pool area to have some tea. Post that we might head to some beach for a few drinks, and after that we need to come back early because it's Mandeep's birthday tomorrow, so we need to cut the cake. So we're going to wind up early today. The oldies that we are,
Cheers.
having tea in Goa
Our kind of cheers.
instead of beer. Guys, I think we need to run from the pool area because Mandeep has tortured the people here with his Punjabi songs.
Burra!
So we are running from the pool because I think people are going to hit him.
So she has a problem if I play house music, if I play any rock music. तो
हाँ, तो
पंजाबी रॉक्स भाई
there-
पंजाबी तो
there-
बेस्ट है सबको.
There are kids on the pool and this guy is playing like trance music and also.
हाँ तो पंजाबी फिर बजा दिया ना यार, हनी सिंह के पंजाबी गाने.
हाँ तो उससे भी लेकिन लोग भाग चुके हैं.
तो यस गाइस, एज यू कैन सी पूरा का पूरा पूल एम्प्टी हो चुका है. वो हमारे जो लास्ट 2 विक्टिम्स हैं जा रहे हैं पीछे.
And
तो
now-
अब हमने सोचा काफी बेइज्जती हो गई, तो अब हम भी चले जाते हैं.
Where are we going?
We are going right now to the room. I'll need to take a quick bath and then as usual Baga.
Baga or Kalangut.
Kalangut maybe today, yeah.
Because surprisingly I've never seen Kalangut beach.
Yeah.
So I think we're going there.
But I think it's one of the same, both of them. Let's see.
Baga
we'll see
and
today.
Kalangut.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have some drinks and wind the day.
Okay.
Because it is somebody's birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
So let's go to Kalangut.
See ya. Bye.
Change of plan, guys. We are not going to any beach. We are headed to some restaurant. Mandeep is trying to fix my chain.
Yes.
Fixed.
Yes. I hope so.
Now we are heading to a restaurant called Salt Bar and Restaurant, which is just 15 minutes from our resort.
And
Because-
has got great reviews and the pictures look crazy.
Plus it has 20% off on Zomato Pro.
Yo.
So we be middle class like that. And anyways, we were hell tired to go to a beach. So let's just go eat some good food.
See ya.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You're so embarrassed.
Happy birthday to Mandeep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, put it to Mandeep. Having a good time hearing songs.
Yeah, she's amazing, huh?
Birthday boy! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
So we are now heading back to the hotel and it is so freaking cold.
Yeah.
It's 1 in the night but it's very cold. And in the afternoons it's freaking hot. So I'm dead sure I'm going to fall sick after this trip.
Yeah. Plus now you're gonna go and wash your hair.
Yes, because I can't wash my hair in the morning. I need to do it now. But it's really cold. Plus Goa today is lit.
The streets
which
are
is
lit.
the usual, but still I thought that it isn't that crowded, so it won't be lit.
Yeah. Matlab, I also didn't expect so much crowd to be there.
Yeah, but there's a lot of crowd.
Oh yeah. Oh.
जल्दी कर अभी तू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Mandeep बहुत embarrassed होता है.
Happy birthday
to you.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Corona is सबको नहीं गिरा. Guys, we have purchased birthday gifts. They are here.